my Math Wizard hats because I'm going to be a math wizard on word problems, and so are you. We're going to do two kinds today. We're going to do an addition word problem, and we're going to do a subtraction word problem. First, I want to review how can you solve a word problem? Well, first of all, you read it and you make sure you understand what you're reading. Second, you can choose which way you want to solve it. There are basically 3 ways that we taught you in class that you can solve a word problem. Number 1, this is my favorite, you can draw. Now, you don't want to spend a lot of time drawing details. You might even just do a circle or a line or a box as you read the problem and figure out how many pictures you need. Number 2, you can do a number bond. Remember, we talked a lot about these in kindergarten. You have your total number up here. The 2 numbers that you would see in your problem would be these here. Or, boys and girls, you could write a number sentence. So maybe you don't want to draw a number bond. All you have to do is look at the question, make sure you understand the question, and then look at the numbers that are in the question. Okay, so those are the 3 ways to solve your problem. Let's start first with addition. I have my question here. It is, Igor has 4 carrots. The kindergartners gave him 5 more carrots. How many carrots does he have in all? So that part at the very end where it says in all, usually, or almost every single time, that means you're going to be adding. So what I'm going to do is show you the different ways that we just talked about that we could figure out that problem. Okay, first of all, I'm going to draw a picture. We said 4 carrots and 5 carrots. Now, I'm going to do it the fast way because I want you to know that you can just do it really fast. First, he had 4. Those are my carrots. Then we added, there's my plus sign, 5 more carrots. Remember we did our tally marks, 4 lines and a cross? Now I have to add up how many he has in all. There's a couple ways you can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep counting up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that equals 9. Or I could have done, my bigger number is the 5, and then I put that in my head and I count up. 6, 7, 8, 9. He has 9 carrots. Now, if I was doing a number bond, I would look back at those 2 big numbers that were in the problem, a 4 and a 5, and I know because I read the problem that I have to add them. So I've got my 2 numbers down here, a 4 and a 5. Okay. 9. Ding! Or the last way to solve would be, I know that I'm adding a 5. Oh, maybe I could do my math strategy with my 5 across, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my dot frames. That's 5, and then I add 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's still 9. How about that? All right, next we'll be doing subtraction.
Okay, guys, I hope you're learning lots of stuff from my mom. And please listen to your mom and dad so they know what you're doing. Bye. Hope you're having fun.
Had 5 pieces of apple. He ate 3 apple pieces. How many does he have left? Okay, so a couple things that are going to tell you that subtraction. He's starting with 5, but then he's eating some. So is that some more or some take away? It's take away. You got it right. So we know we're going to be subtracting. Also, another clue here is these words. How many does he have left? When you say something like having something left, that usually means that you are going to be doing takeaway or subtraction. All right, so now we're going to go with how to figure out this subtraction problem. The first way we could do it, just like we did in the addition, is draw a picture. You got it right. So we're going to draw a picture. We're going to start with Something simple. Remember, we don't do details. We're starting out with 5 pieces of apple. Apples are round. There are circles. They're spheres. So I can do some spheres. We had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Then he's going to eat 3. How could I figure this out? Did you say cross them out? You got it. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 2. You got it. Now, the other way we could solve that, we could do a number bond. If you're going to do a number bond with subtraction, you're always going to put your bigger number at the top. So we had a 5. And we also know we had a 3. The piece is missing. To get to 5 from 3, it takes 2. Now, we already knew that because we drew a picture. But let's say you just want to start with a number bond. You would see, pretend the 2 is not there. You would see that 3, and you would put 3 in your head, and you would count up until you get to 5. So, 3, count my fingers. Did you say 5? I thought so. Okay, so number bond. The last way to solve this problem is to start with that bigger number. We write it down. We're going to write a sentence, a number sentence. This is your subtraction sign, and we're taking away 3. So now you could count backwards if you wanted to. Put that 5 up here, and we're going to go backwards 3 fingers, okay? So 5, there's my 5, 4, 3. Did I go backwards 3 fingers? I did. How many do I still have down? 2 equals 2. There you go. I hope you enjoyed word problems. You have a lot of word problems to do this week and next week, so hopefully this video helped you out a little bit. See you later.